low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you this super nice and cool jewelry box, which have this large capacity and can fit any kind of your jewelry. As you can see here, you have the bracelets, and also you have these pockets to put inside the bracelet. Here is for the rings, any kind of small jewelry. Here is also for rings, and here on top you can put your watch or bracelets or any rubber bands or any kind of jewelry. It is made from sturdy and durable material, have this nice and pretty design, and can fit any kind of your makeup table, or just in the closet or in front of your mirror. I don't like the design, I don't like the quality, the capacity is just perfect. So if you're looking for any great, beautiful jewelry box, I will highly recommend this one. Thank you.